everyone. We are really sorry for the one of the week we were which very much tied up with, and we are going to discuss about where were we so busy also, and welcome you all and thank you so much for so many views, and please forward wherever I'm getting to know. I'm getting the very good response from most of the mothers asking me about this is a wonderful idea. Thank you so much.
Thank you,
Yes.
guys. So, what we've basically been doing for the last week is I have got an internship abroad and I'll be going for 3 months. It's a psychology internship based on my career, and we've been basically planning, packing, shopping, all sorts of things around that. So, we didn't find time to make the video last week. And I think this video, we're just going to talk about what happened, what we came across in those days, because it was a very long week. I was busy with a lot of things on my side, like I've been doing some courses and everything, and mom's been bugging me, get your medical stuff done, is your packing done, do you need anything else, do you need shopping? And I'm like, I just don't know what else do I need. This is the first time I'm going abroad. Yeah, it's been an exhausting week.
So I want to share this. Like, my son is already abroad. He's been studying there from 2 years. I have a different experience when I'm sending my daughter out. And yeah, I know so much of clarity we both have, so much of understanding we have, but I'm still having that one something in my corner of my mind, like, little some kind of that worry as a mother. I don't know what is that making me. And yeah, there's a lot of fight going on between both of us this week. And yeah, that's a part of life. And what is making me worry is about keeping her food on time, and taking care of her own health for the fitness and taking care of her clothes. There's so many things, and she hasn't gone out of home from for 3 months anywhere. And this is making me I'm behaving as if, yeah, like other mothers also, but I'm behind her from here only. I don't know how much I'm going to bug her when she's there also, but I'm going to do this. But yeah, what is happening to me? What is making me so much of worry? Why is this worry? I'm actually trying to figure out myself.
Because you're too attached. See, I get that you're worried. I get that there's a lot of risk there, especially with a girl daughter going away from home for a long time. But I would like that space and like to have my own fun, and like that I would like you to trust me that I can take care of myself. I've never gotten that opportunity to prove it before, and this time I do. And I think I'm handling it pretty well. I've got like a medical checkup done. I've gotten all shopping, and everything is almost packed. And I did most of it by myself. I've gotten my visa things done. I got my passport, my everything is basically done. The airplane, the stay, everything is done. And they're coming to drop me also.
I'm
Like,
not ready to send her straight from here. I didn't go like this for my son. But I don't know why. I want to go there and see where she's going to stay and how she's going to have what is her daily requirements. Is she getting everything there?
I would
That's
like
one.
some suggestions from dear daughters. How did you move past this with your mother?
See, she's laughing now, but we had a big fight. I was behind her. Didn't I tell you, finish this, finish that, finish this, finish that? She's busy in something else. She could have done everything in advance and kept yourself so free now, but
How
she's not
in
ready.
advance? Like, do you want me to just leave all my clothes and wear whatever stuff I had? I know I put certain clothes for a wash, certain things to iron, which I know is required. I managed everything.
Ah,
I managed that other thing that I was doing also on the side. I've managed everything. But you are stressing so much.
I was just telling her very softly because I know if I start screaming at her, she doesn't like anymore because I never done that. And we don't have that kind of space also. But whatever that one word I'm telling her, 10 things are going in my mind also. Because
Okay.
that once when I'm telling, she's not taking any action. I have to tell 2, 3 times the course has to go. Then that action will happen. That's how I've been. And I was trying to do that and it was not working. I was telling it's okay. She's managing. She's doing good. But yeah, I'm sure all the mothers will agree with this. We are still that, the mother is like aggressively waiting. Why not now? How well will you finish? See, you haven't done this. You haven't kept this. All the time it was going on, and we were both like hardly got along or
Yeah.
talking so much or spent that time also.
Yeah, this
And
week
I
has
think
been
now
long.
this the now actually today a lot of it when she's done, I'm feeling relaxed now, and you can see my smile also while telling this. Because if I would have done this yesterday, I was not the same, because it's like that in our mind. That's how the mothers are.
See, it's honestly nice also that you care. I can see that you care so much, and you're saying that worry everything is for me only. But see, it's sometimes nice also. It helps me remember things that, oh, what if I forget something? Yeah, you definitely remind me of it. That did you keep this? Did you keep that? Did you pack this? Did you get that information collected? All of that is good, but maybe I can also do it by myself now. And like, yeah, sure, once or twice you can say it, but you don't have to ruin your mood and then make it a big thing and
Yeah.
create a whole scene. Like there was no such scene, but you did.
Inside, inside
Yeah,
me,
inside.
inside me, there was a lot of scene happening. Who nobody saw that, and avoiding my own things which I need to do. I was not doing that. I was thinking like I'm busy for the week for her to send. Once I send her and come back, then I'll get back to my. I haven't done the videos also. My team was asking me for that. I couldn't shoot that also because there's nothing. The mind is not open about it. So I'm talking about someone who's done this kind of a healing, this kind of transformation, but still we go through when we have such situations.
It's all human emotions. Like yeah, when
No, I'm talking about someone who hasn't got this kind of a space.
Mhm.
How are they handling this? How is this situation will be getting smoother? And every time, if you have that strong fight and negative energy between both of you, and if that energy, if you go, it's not that good.
yeah,
So
yeah.
basically, I'm telling because this is very common in today. Everybody is sending their children out, and it's a very standard which is going on. But what is that energy you keep it with your children while you send? Because we have to have that somehow that positive energy. It all starts from the parents.
Yeah, see, every parent will only wish good for their kids, and that's there. That's the truth. That's there. But I also get that there's a lot of fights that are created because of disagreements and because of frustration. We are doing something else. We're doing a lot of things at the same time, and you're also doing a lot of things at the same time. So, getting that thing matched, you also have to do your packing. I have to sort out a lot more things, but I keep saying it's only 3 months. It's not the end of the world. And if I miss something, I can go get it there. I'm not just going to an empty island or something. So yeah.
This is how they think. This is how their mindset is. But for us, like everything has to be organized before you leave. And in fact, if you can organize that everything in advance, like very relaxed.
Yeah, sure. 2 weeks from now, everything is packed like I'm leaving tomorrow. And then what do I do about my brush and my toothpaste and all that? Well, gone packed.
Keep that one extra and keep it in your bathroom one, which is also
Nonsense.
easy. So this is how it was going on, guys, and we both are a little better today to organize this and speak about this.
Because I finished most of my packing today, and we're leaving in 2 days.
We
Leaving.
have 2 more days still to leave. Day after tomorrow.
Day after tomorrow.
Wonderful. Are we ending here? No?
We can. It's
Okay,
been 8
yeah.
minutes.
Just we'll end for the travel.
So don't okay. So don't no. Okay. So we will be sharing snippets from our travel. So mom and dad are taking this opportunity to travel on their own and exploring the place while I will be going off to my internship and actually doing a lot of work, which is really amazing. I'm very excited for it.
Yeah, you
But
want to talk 2 minutes about the place or something?
It's a rehab center where I'll be working as a psychology intern for 3 months, and it's gonna be amazing. That's all I know. I want to go there, and I don't want to create anything right now. I want to go there and explore everything as much as I can. If I have too many expectations right now, I do not want to be let down later. So that's there, and yeah. I think we will see. And yes, there will be another video this week. I know we promised a special, and that special will include a special someone. And we will see.
Thank
See you. Thank
Please
you.
share with
Bye-bye.
someone. Definitely, we need something like this. Thank you.
Bye bye.
Bye.